ever wandered in the dark to find the direction of life? Are you eager to get out of trouble and find inner peace and strength? Buddhist wisdom tells us that true light comes from inner reconciliation and true embrace. How to achieve this goal through Buddhist wisdom, find light in the dark, and regain inner strength and hope. In our life, we will inevitably experience difficulties and pains. These challenges often make us feel confused and helpless. However, Buddhist wisdom tells us that reconciliation with ourselves is an important step out of difficulties. Through mindfulness and internal outlook, we can recognize our emotions and feelings, and no longer be bound by the pain of the past. The power of mindfulness is that we can deeply observe our heart, whether it is joy or pain. When we can accept and understand our emotions, we can face the challenges in life with a more peaceful mind. This internal process is the key to reconciliation with yourself. Embracing the true self is another important step towards the light. Buddhist wisdom emphasizes that truth is the foundation of liberation. When we can truly face ourselves and acknowledge our weaknesses and strengths, we can truly grow and make progress. True words are the door to liberation. Only in reality can we find inner freedom and strength. Embrace the truth so that we are no longer troubled by false expectations and fears, and move towards a bright life. Embracing our true self means that we accept all of ourselves and no longer hide our true feelings. This kind of self-attentiveness allows us to face life more freely and find true inner peace. Everyone has infinite inner power, which comes from our inner wisdom and compassion. When we can reconcile with ourselves and embrace the truth, we can stimulate this inner strength, get out of difficulties, and meet the light. Compassion is one of the core values of Buddhism. Through compassion, we can forgive not only ourselves, but also others. This kind of forgiveness allows us to let go of hatred and resentment and regain our inner peace and strength. Hope is an important guide for us to get out of the darkness. Buddhist wisdom tells us that no matter how difficult the situation is, there is hope. When we can reconcile with ourselves and embrace the truth, we can regain our inner hope and welcome a better future. The light of hope comes from our inner beliefs and beliefs. When we believe in ourselves and the beauty of life, we can see the light in the dark, get out of trouble, and welcome a new beginning. Persist is the root of pain. When we can let go of our persistence in the past, we can truly be free and go to the light. Letting go of persistence means that we are no longer bound by the pain of the past and regain our inner freedom. Let go of persistence. By letting go, we can find our inner peace again and no longer be troubled by the pain of the past. This kind of relief allows us to start again and welcome a new life. Forgiving ourselves is an important step for us to get out of trouble. When we can forgive ourselves, we can truly let go of our inner burdens and go to the light. Let us no longer be bothered by our inner self-reproach and regain our inner peace. We can let go of our inner burdens and regain our inner freedom and strength. This kind of inner peace allows us to face the challenges in life more freely.